Today we are going to solve the problem of the day. Minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k. So we need to find how many minimum operations we need to perform on the given array so that its sum is divisible by k. So the brute force approach for this problem is that we can iterate over each element, and if it is not divisible by k, then we will keep decreasing the number like this, because we can decrease a number by 1 at a time. You can perform the following operation. We can perform only one operation. We can select the index and we can subtract the number. So this is the brute force approach. Like, first we go to 0th index, then it is not divisible by 5, so we decrease it to 2, then 1, then 0. Now 3 operations till now. Then we will go to 9. We have to decrease by 4 times, so 3 plus 4, 7 operations. Again go to 7 and decreases by 2, so 3 plus 4 plus 2. So we have to do 9 operations, but this is brute force. It will take too many operations. The better approach for this one is, see, we have to make the sum of the array divisible by k. So we can find the sum. Suppose the sum of this is 9 plus 3 12 and 12 plus 7 19. So 19 is the sum. So how many operations we have to perform so that it is divisible by 5? So from 19 we can subtract 4. Now it is divisible by 5, because it is not given that from which element we have to subtract. From any element we can subtract. So the better approach is to first find the sum. Let sum equals to 0. We can start a loop over the array. Nums.size and sum equals to sum plus nums of I. You can also write it in this way: sum plus equals to nums of I. So now we got the sum. Suppose in this example we got 19 as sum. So how we can find that how many numbers we have to decrease? It can be found by modulo. See, what is the modulo of 19 modulo 5? It will give 4. So we can directly do it. Return sum modulo k. You can perform. First we can see in this example 19 modulo 5. It will give 4, because 4 will be remainder. So minimum operations will be 4. Now see in this example, 4 plus 1 plus 3, 8, and 8 modulo 4 is 0. So we don't want to do any operations to make it divisible by 4. Now in this example, 3 plus 2 5, and we have to decrease 5 times, because to make it divisible by 6 we have to make it 0. So directly we can do modulo, as modulo give the remainder. So this code should be run properly. Okay, now we can submit. As you can see, it has passed all the test cases. So this is the today's problem of the day. Thanks.